Welcome to TLE 7, Quarter 4 Industrial Arts. Today, we will tackle the Week 3, Lesson 3. Hand tools, power tools, instruments, equipment, and accessories. Hand tools. Hand tools classifications. First, we have the holding tools. These are the bench vise, pipe vise, wood lathe machine, and clamps. Driving tools: hammers, rubber, mallets, and screwdrivers. Measuring tools: push-pull tape, caliper, ruler, measuring wheel, meter stick, and wire gauge. Guiding tools: plumb bob level hose, and tooth cutting tools, the handsaw, hacksaw, and the coping saw. Marking tools: pencil, chalk line, rule divider, and scratch awl. Edge cutting tools: chisel, plane, and spoke shape. Boring tools: we have the gimlet, bradawl, hand drill. Gripping and squeezing tools: pliers, vice grip, and wrenches. We have different types of hand tools. First, hammer are versatile tools with metal head for striking force and handle for gripping and control. Second, the screwdrivers. Hand tools with a handle and a shaft ending in a tube designed to fit into the head of a screw to turn it. Wrenches. It comes in different types, including open end, box end, and adjustable wrenches, each tailored for specific tasks and fastener types. Calipers. Adjustable jaws for measuring internal and external dimensions. Precision screwdrivers. Small-scale screwdrivers often with a revolving tab for ease. Riveters. A hand tool used to apply rivets. 7. Handsaw. Handheld device to drive metal staples into materials. 8. Pliers. Hand tools with two levels joined at a fulcrum featuring jaws or pincers at one end and handles at one another. Digital tape measures. A digital display often with memory functions. Laser levels. Project a laser line to establish straight and level lines. Digital multimeters. Digital display measures voltage, current, and resistance. We have essentials common hand tools. First, hammers are used to drive nails, fit parts, forge metal, and break apart objects. Under hammers, we have claw hammer, most used for driving and removing nails. Ball peen hammer, for fitting rivets and shaping metal. Sledgehammer, heavy-duty hammer for more significant tasks. Screwdrivers, essential for driving or removing screws. We have flathead for slotted screw and Phillips crochet for Phillips screw. Wrenches, gripping, fastening, turning, or loosening objects. We have open end and back end wrenches for nuts and bolts. An adjustable wrench jaw can be adjusted for various sizes. Calipers, used to measure the distance between two opposite sides of an object. Vernier caliper offers precision measurements. For digital caliper, it provides digital reading. Precision screwdrivers, for delicate tasks like repairing electronics or eyeglasses. We have flathead Phillips and Torx, available in much smaller sizes. Riveters, used to drive rivets. Hand riveter manual tool requiring physical force. And 7. We have the handsaw, a manual cutting tool with a toothed blade designed for cutting wood or other materials by hand. We have ripsaw, the cross-cut saw, combination rip and cross-cut saw, hacksaw, and the coping saw. Next, power tools. We have common pneumatic tools. First, the air impact wrenches. Powerful tools commonly used for loosening or tightening bolts and nuts with high torque. Pneumatic drill. a handheld air-powered tool that drills holes or destroys hard surfaces such as rock, concrete, and roads. Air hammer. It uses compressed air to drive a hammering piston that delivers repeated impacts to the attached chisel or tool bit. Tire inflator. A simple tire inflator is a popular air tool even with general consumers. Paint sprayer. Spray painting is another essential application of compressed air. One of the simplest paint sprayer is an airbrush. Next, the common hydraulic tools. Hydraulic wrench. A conventional hydraulic torque wrench kit generally comprises a hydraulic torque wrench, a particular hydraulic pump station for hydraulic torque wrenches, a double high-pressure hose, and a high-strength heavy-duty socket. Hydraulic jack. A jack that uses a plunger or hydraulic cylinder as a rigid jacking member. Hydraulic puller. This is an ideal new tool to replace traditional pullers. Hydraulic nut cutters are also called nut cutters in some industry for rusted nuts that cannot be disassembled. Hydraulic press. A mechanical press that utilizes hydraulic cylinders to generate compression force. Hydraulic rippers are tools used to reconnect the ends of two cables, wires, or similar flexible materials. Next, the instruments, the analog, digital, and computer-based and equipment and accessories. What is an analog instrument? An analog instrument shows the measurement result either in a wave or by the deflection of a pointer on an analog scale. These are the example of analog instruments include analog multimeter, analog thermometer, analog pressure gauge, analog oscilloscope, and analog caliper. What is a digital instrument? A measuring instrument that represents the output in the form of digits on a screen, or LCD or the LED. The principle of a digital instrument is based on the binary number system, where two binary digits is 0 and 1. Examples of digital instruments include digital caliper, digital measuring tape, digital multimeter, and the digital weighing scale. What is a computer-based instrument? Are devices used for measuring, monitoring, controlling, and analyzing various processes within the industrial arts field. Some examples of computer-based instruments in industrial arts include car scanner, oscilloscope, spectrum analyzer, logic analyzer, data acquisition system, and power quality analyzer, temperature calibrator, pressure gauge calibration system. Equipment and accessories. Construction services. Equipment and accessories could include concrete mixer, dump truck, loaders, cranes, scaffolding, and safety gear. Electromechanical services. Equipment and accessories could include electronic components such as circuit board, machinery parts such as gears and motors, and tools such as soldering iron. Electrical devices. Equipment and accessories could include wiring switches, outlets, and tools such as wire cutters and voltage testers. Automotive and small engine services. Equipment and accessories could include diagnostic tools such as OBD scanners, replacement parts such as spark plugs and filters, and maintenance tools such as wrenches and socket sets. That's the end of our lesson for today.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and share, subscribe, and hit the bell button.